Okay, I'm recording on here. Press this button. All right, I'm recording. Got everything recording. Right. I need to turn the car. I got the remote on. Turn on the car. I got satellites. Okay, I got satellites. I got movement. All right, let's put this up. Oh, it moved it. That's why. This thing moved it. About damn time. Alright. First run back on the block. For my 1-year anniversary. Since my accident. We're gonna do an 8S slow pass. That's what we doing today. 8S slow pass. You can sit this down.
You gotta screw your thing?
I'm not gonna screw them in. Just sit it facing that way. Alright, that look good. Alright, you'll go down there. See, if you sit off over there, you can tell me if somebody coming. So just call me. I'm gonna hit track. Start. I'm gonna pull up some. Alright, that's counting. I got my thing. Call me and tell me I'm clear. I'm gonna get a slow pass in. Let me see. It's tracking. First pass back on the block since my accident. Let's see if I can get an 8S pass in. I'm gonna take my time. Oh yeah, I'm rubbing. My body rubbing. Gotta wait for Mike to call me. Got a truck coming. Car. Hello? I see the car coming. I'm gonna let this car go by and you can tell me if I'm clear. But once this car go by, I'm gonna start heading that way. I'm gonna start coming. So I'm clear? Yeah, it's already set. Alright, 8S pass. First time, but I'm about to take my time though. Damn it! Oh, yeah. Okay, know where everything went, because I don't know where everything went. So, just stay where everything went. I'm going to dry down there. You probably can yeah, grab some of it. I'm about to dry down there. So, that wasn't a great pass. I told you I wasn't to a trolley until after it went past me. Don't scratch it. Just lift it up. You gotta sit on the...
Well, I didn't know where you were going.
Yeah, I just didn't want to See, my plugs, my batteries came loose. Oh, my GPS is still there.
Yeah, I knew when it fell, it was still together.
Pull that up. It fell at 118. Everything's still here. It's connected. It's caught on there. Hey, everything held up. When I crashed at 118. Let's see what this say. This say 331. See, that's why I brought this GPS. Just, you know, 'cause this be acting up sometime. I crashed at 118. I ain't doing no more runs. Not today, at least. So, let's unplug this. Let's stop recording on here. Okay, stop recording on here. I'm out. This is my video. 1 year anniversary. I crashed again. Yeah, I just didn't hit myself though, but I did crash. But did hit myself. But I ain't been out here since my accident. But, you know, I'm gonna try to get the car back together, get it straightened back out, try to get back out here. I'm out.